The Makeshift had one window installation which became the public face for the exhibition, and it was a work by Tony Tier, and it was an untitled window installation. Now, it was a mixed media work. It was both painting, found image, and print. And what Tony was exploring was his personal identity as an urban oceanic. So it had ideas of the urban, it also had ideas of, I guess, displacement. And one of the images that was quite strong, and it formed half of the window installation, was a dusky maiden portrait, which he had photoshopped and had infected with syphilis. And so he had engaged with ideas of representation in quite a different way to many artists. He also juxtaposed those with images that he had taken from trips to Samoa, and he had engaged in the image not just by sort of documenting Samoa, but he had started to draw over the printed images little alien figures, which were quite imaginative. A lot of them were based on actual traditional sculptures, and the work that sort of it talked about ideas of displacement and the feelings of alienation in a different homeland. And I think that juxtaposition between found images of the Pacific in terms of the Dusky Maiden and these actual photographs of Samoa really created this interesting conversation about contemporary experience, both here in an urban centre like Auckland, but also the experience of travelling back home to Samoa or to the Pacific and engaging and experiencing quite a different culture.